Hey Steve, I'm using my Festool CXS drill here. This is like my favorite Christmas present from a couple years ago. And my camera woman and I are bringing home our adopted son next week. So we're finishing up baby-proofing our house, and I'm putting on the last of what seems like thousands of these little child-proofing latches things in our cabinets. I just finished drilling holes with this guy. I have my tape here, you know, to get my depth right. So now I can quickly swap off to go to my Phillips head bit and start mounting these guys. And I can change my speed from drill to screw, and away I go. Oops. I got this magnetic bit on here also that the tool comes with, so it makes it easy to hold the screws. Alright, wish us luck. Bye.